She's terrified. There are strange sounds coming from her chimney.
Open it! Open it!
What could it be? Oh no, hopefully not something with big teeth.
Are you ready? I'm not ready.
She's got her dish gloves on, just in case she has to grab the thing, whatever it is. Tension fills the house.
Oh, but there might be something dead in there. Open it! Open it! Huh?
And there it is. It's a bird, a loon. Now she's got a whole other problem. She's finally able to lead it outside, then carries it as far away from her house in Manitoba, Canada as possible. Wow, that was exhausting.
Oh my God.